Hey everybody, I get asked this question a lot. How do I put up with the stench of my compost piles? Aren't my neighbors complaining? I mean, this has got to smell horrible. I have a bunch of rotting organic matter, a bunch of old vegetables rotting in here. What's going on? And the truth is, it doesn't smell at all. I'm standing right next to it, and I could be standing right next to it on top of it and digging into it the day after I made it, and you wouldn't smell it. And that's because we are actively capturing all that nitrogen. That's the stuff that smells. That's the very active gas that has all the particles of the food with it. And that's what's escaping and making all this smell real bad. We're capturing all that with carbon. And the last thing we do when we're capturing all that, when we're making our mound, our pile, if there's a lot of rotting vegetables on top there, we'll carbon cap it. We'll put a layer of leaves or wood chips over the top of that. And so any nitrogen escaping gets caught into this carbon web and sinks and returns. If your compost pile, if your hot compost pile smells, that means you're losing nitrogen. That means you need to add more carbon, particularly need to add more carbon on top of your pile so that the escaping nitrogen gets caught in that web, in that active filter. But if you're not doing that, then your pile is going to stink and you're losing the nitrogen. You're trying to capture that. That's the whole point of this, is so that your humus is nitrogen rich. Anyway, stinky piles are bad. Don't let that happen to you. If your compost is stinky, add more carbon. Put wood chips on that. If there's exposed garbage that smells, put wood chips on top of that. Put leaves on top of that. Put a carbon source on top of that, and that scent will go right away. Anyway, thanks, y'all.